Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a LeadFuzze versus Hunter.io comparison. So when it comes to premium purpose, LeadFuzze has AI powered list building and lead generation, finds leads across industries, while Hunter.io is for email discovery, verification and cold email outreach. When it comes to database size, LeadFuzze has about 300 million professionals, 40 million companies. When it comes to Hunter.io, it crawls with 76 million public sources, focuses on professional emails. When it comes to lead discovery, LeadFuzze has AI filters for job title, company, tech stack, account-based targeting, while Hunter.io uses domain search and discover pattern-based email lists. When it comes to email verification, LeadFuzze uses auto-verify leads for near 0% bounce rate, while Hunter.io uses multi-step verification, format MX server mailbox checks. When it comes to outreach features, LeadFuzze uses integrated email outreach, that is A to B testing, while Hunter.io use built-in cold email campaigns, follow-ups, ad tracking, and tracking metrics. When it comes to integration and API, LeadFuzze uses Salesforce, Pipedrive, Limelight, Zapier API in development, while Hunter.io uses Chrome extension, Gmail Outlook, Google Sheets, HubSpot, Salesforce, Zapier, and API access. When it comes to pricing and plan, for LeadFuzze is from $132 per month for 500 lead credits, scaling tiers available, while for Hunter.io has free plan for 25 searches to 50 verifications, and has $49 per month starter plan, growth plan of $99, and scale plan of $299. For the pros, LeadFuzze is AI-driven targeting, zero bounce verification, and A to B support, while Hunter.io is easy to use, has strong domain email search plus verification, various integrations, and has a free plan or free tier. When it comes to the cons, LeadFuzze is more expensive, data freshness is not guaranteed, while Hunter.io lacks LinkedIn email extraction, professional email focus only, volume limits on free tier. Now, LeadFuzze is ideal for SMBs, teams needing AI-led list building and low bounce outreach, while Hunter.io is for marketers, recruiters, and SMBs needing domain-level email discovery and campaign support at lower costs. In summary, LeadFuzze excels at AI-powered segmentation, precise targeting, and bounce-free email lists, but comes at a higher price, while Hunter.io offers a cost-effective all-in-one solution for email finding, verification, and campaign sending, with a strong free plan but lacks some advanced data freshness and LinkedIn derived leads. Hope you found this video helpful.